Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute and easy ice cream lolly. You can use these lollies for your as a home decor, or in my case I will use it as a bookmark, and you can use them, punch a hole here and then create many of them and pass through a wine and hang to your wall in many different ways. So let's get started to create this super cute lolly. Okay, we will need some paper. In my case I will use in this case I use the pale blue as a base. In this case we will use the green paper. You will need a lolly stick and a pencil. We will create a sort of oval. Okay, and then with a pair of scissors we will cut our oval around so it will become a little bigger. In order to cover our stick. Okay, now voila. Now we will need to glue this to our stick. You can use some tacky glue, and then you will need, sorry, but because here in Italy is quite hot the weather, we have high temperatures, so my glue dries so fast, so quickly. Okay, now just a second. Okay, voila. Okay, so okay, now we will need to glue our lolly ice cream here and then press down here. Okay, now with another pair of paper, in my case, in this case I will use the pink. We will create this part, and so we will create a sort of voila, this will be our cover, and then we will cut this piece. We refine this piece of paper later when we glue our piece to the lolly stick. It doesn't be perfect, your cutting. Okay, and then we will glue this piece. Okay, some glue. But to add some more, and then we will glue together. Voila. Okay, and now we will need to create this part, in this case in pale blue. Voila. And then we can do in this way. Voila. Okay, now we will cut our top part. And we will glue together on top of the ice cream lolly. And we can, voila. Okay, now round the corner here with your scissors. Okay, and voila, here. Okay, now we can put some glue here, and then we will glue our final part. Okay, now if you want, you can cut around here, only to round better the corner of the lollipop here. Okay, and here. Okay, now if you want, you can trace some polka dots with a metallic or a silver pen. In my case is a metallic pen. Or you can add some pieces of paper, some dots made in paper. I will trace this in order to give some sparkle to my ice cream lolly. Voila! Here some other dots. Okay, voila. And then you can use this ice cream lolly for a summer party. For you can write here the name of the person near, and then you can put these lollies near the plate in the place of the person you invite. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.